And he had many surgeries over the years to help continue his life. And at one point, later on in his years, he started having a conversation with a spiritual counselor. And that spiritual counselor discovered that this man, who was so outwardly successful and very popular, was carrying a hidden resentment, a hidden bitterness that was eating at him, right? Literally, figuratively, eating at him. And what she learned is that he had had several divorces, and every one of those divorces ended with, there were hostility and bitterness, and that he detested his current wife.